What's up, friends? In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete a project in Canva. That's super easy. You want to go ahead and ensure that you click on Home in Canva, and when you scroll down, you will find those projects, or you can click on Projects on the left side, and you will also able to find your projects that you have in Canva. Now, to permanently delete any project, you can easily find a project that you want to delete. You can either click the three dots and you will find Move to Trash, or you click the checkbox on the left and here you'll find the trash or the bin icon. You click and Move to Trash, then click and delete or Move to Trash. Now, from here, you want to go to your trash. So to go to trash, expand the sidebar here, and you will be able to find trash. You click on that. Now, in the design section is where the projects are going to save. So if you want to go ahead and delete or permanently delete a project, you will be able to easily find those projects right here. So you can go ahead, click the three dots on the right side of the project and then delete from trash, or you simply click the checkbox on the left and click the bin icon to delete, then delete again. Then you will see right here that you're deleting the project, and that's how you can permanently delete project in Canva.